Hi everybody and welcome to today's ChinesePod lesson. My name is Joe.
大家好，欢迎来到中文播客，我是庆林。
In today's class, we are going to go to the restaurant. And this comes together with some easy questions in the beginning, some introduction and some suggestions, so that normal small talk you may hear in the restaurant. And in the dialogue, you will hear the following words.
菜，喜欢。
So make sure you listen out for them and let's check out the dialogue now.
您来过吗？
没来过，
这道菜不错，大家都喜欢。
就知道吧。
您来过吗？
没来过，
这道菜不错，大家都喜欢。
就知道吧。
您来过吗？
没来过，
这道菜不错，大家都喜欢。
就知道吧。
So we have a first-time customer here. Let's check out the dialogue more in detail first, line by line.
您来过吗？
Have you dined with us before?
您来过吗？
Have you dined with us before?
您来过吗？没来过。
I haven't.
没来过。
I haven't.
没来过。这道菜不错。
This dish is pretty good.
这道菜不错。
This dish is pretty good.
这道菜不错。大家都喜欢。
Everyone likes it.
大家都喜欢。
Everyone likes it.
大家都喜欢。就这道吧。
Well, then this dish.
就这道吧。
Well, then this dish.
就这道吧。
So in the beginning, the customer comes into the restaurant and then is asked, oh, have you ever dined with us before? Or have you been here before?
您来过吗？
So the question starts with a very polite form of you here.
您，
So if you compare this with the normal version of you, which would be,
你，
you have one third tone, you normal,
你，
and a second tone for the more polite version and together with an N sound in the end.
您
And then this is followed by a verb, which is to come.
来
And this verb here is then combined with a particle in the end. What is this particle here?
过，过，
And this particle indicates that you have done something before. So if you pair this up with a verb, here it's to come, it means to have come before.
来过，
Okay, so here it's you have come before, and then there's another particle after this, which is the question particle.
吗？
So altogether it's you have come before, question particle.
您来过吗？
And then the customer answers this with, no, I haven't.
没来过。
So here we have this to have come before again,
来过，
together with a word in front of it, which means not.
没，没，
And then together it's I have not come before.
没来过。
What would we have said?
Hello! We are so glad that you're enjoying this video so far, but you're not getting the full lesson here. The full lesson and the rest of this video are available on our site, ChinesePod.com. Give it a try and see how much more we have to offer. We have exercises, expanded examples, vocabulary, and downloadable material. You cannot get that here on YouTube. So, visit our website today, enter GRACE as the promo code, and get 20% off our premium subscriptions. I'll see you at ChinesePod.com.
But hurry, only the first 300 subscribers are allowed to redeem this deal. Use promo code GRACE for 20% off your entire premium subscription and launch your real learning experience.
ChinesePod, ChinesePod.